Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, a young and handsome prince lived in a grand castle. However, he was selfish, unkind, and cared only for beauty and wealth. One night, an old beggar woman came to his castle, offering him a single rose in exchange for shelter from the storm. Disgusted by her appearance, he turned her away. To his surprise, she revealed herself to be a beautiful enchantress. To teach him a lesson, she cursed him, transforming him into a hideous beast. She also cast a spell on his entire castle and warned him that, unless he found true love before the last petal of the enchanted rose fell, he would remain a beast forever. Years later, in a nearby village, a kind and beautiful young woman named Belle lived with her father, an eccentric inventor. Unlike the other villagers, Belle loved reading and dreamed of adventure. Her beauty drew the attention of the arrogant hunter Gaston, who wanted her as his wife. But Belle had no interest in him. One day, Belle's father got lost in the forest and stumbled upon the beast's castle. The beast captured him, but when Belle found her father, she bravely offered to take his place. The beast accepted, keeping her as his prisoner. Though Belle was frightened at first, she quickly realized that the castle was enchanted and filled with magical servants like Lumiere, the candlestick, Cogsworth the clock, and Mrs. Potts the teapot. Over time, Belle began to see past the beast's frightening appearance and discovered his kindness and vulnerability. Likewise, the beast began to soften, and they developed a close bond. Just as they were starting to fall in love, Belle learned her father was in danger. The beast allowed her to leave to save him, even though it broke his heart. Back in the village, Gaston riled up the villagers to attack the castle. They stormed the castle, and Gaston wounded the beast. But Belle returned just in time to save him. As the last petal of the enchanted rose was about to fall, Belle confessed her love for the beast. At that moment, the curse was lifted, transforming the beast back into the prince he once was, but kinder and wiser. His servants were restored, and Belle and the prince lived happily ever after, reminding all that true beauty lies within.